All right, homework number 6, Tuesday, October 16th. So, this is the first first homework assignment that you're going to definitely need your reference table for. So, to preface this, it's really important to not only understand how to use the reference table, but to recognize certain things about a question and know, okay, I need to either look, I need to look at this part of the reference table based off of what they said, or I need to look at this part of the reference table based on a certain phrasing, or this part, right? So not only you have to know how to recognize how to read the reference table, but also recognize when to use it and where to look in it. So this first question, it shows you a cloud, right? Looking at the image, it has altitude written over here. It's got Earth's surface, and in the question it says, in which temperature zone? So every time you say that word temperature zone, you're going to go to your reference table and to the page that includes temperature zones, right? So, in which temperature zone of the atmosphere is location A? In which temperature zone of the atmosphere is point A located? So, it's right here. So, it's between 5 and 6 kilometers up, and if I look at my scale, I've got kilometers right here, and it goes by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So about 7 or 8 or 9 kilometers, right? Yeah, that's about 9 kilometers. Is going to be right about there, and that is located in the troposphere, underneath the dotted line, so it's the troposphere. All right, so the ozone layer protects life on Earth by absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation. You don't need to know that. The ozone layer is located between 17 kilometers and 35 kilometers. So, in which atmospheric temperature zone? There's temperature zone again, so I know I need to look here. If I look between, 17 and 35 kilometers, in kilometers, right? So 10, 20, so a little bit between here, up to 35 kilometers, which is right about there. So we're looking between here and here. That location is the stratosphere. So, stratosphere, nice. So, which two elements make up the greatest percentages by mass? Percent by mass, there's only one spot in the reference table that says that, in Earth's crust. Percent by mass, Earth's crust, two elements, right? So which two elements make up the greatest percentage by mass? So if I look down, I see 46 at 28. I don't see anything higher than that. So those two elements are going to be oxygen and silicon. Next question, question 4. Which New York State city? So New York State city, anything about New York State is going to be on this page, right? So the New York State city that is located at 42 degrees north, 39 minutes. So what we learned in class, we have to go over to this right side for latitude. 42 degrees, so it's going to be between 42 and 43 because we always take the lower number. And 30 is going to be the middle. 39 is going to be a little higher. So the answer is going to be anywhere over here, Albany or Buffalo. So those are going to be the possibilities. So 73 degrees and 45 minutes. 73 degrees is here, 74. So 73 degrees and 45 minutes is going to be more than half, right about here. If I read down and I look at where that crosses, this is my original latitude, this is my longitude, this is going to be my location right there. Okay? So that'll set you up for the rest of the lab. Homework. Final thing is going to be this one. State the number, question 7, state the number of degrees of longitude that separate New York City from Reno. So latitude is flatitude across, right? Longitude are these long ones that are going to be reaching down from the North Pole to the South Pole. So, New York State is located just about there, and what are we looking at? Reno is located just about there. So I'm going to do 120 minus, not quite 75, it's going to be a little less, 73 degrees north. Degrees west. And this is going to be just about 47 degrees of difference. The hours between these, every 15 degrees equals 1 hour. So 30 degrees equals 2 hours, 45 degrees equals 3 hours. So it's going to be about 3 hours.